Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of formatting your text into StrikeThrough in Telegram. StrikeThrough text is a great way to indicate that certain words or phrases have been crossed out or no longer valid. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of formatting your text into StrikeThrough in Telegram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Tap on a chat where you want to type your message. Start typing your text as you normally would. Step 3. To format a specific word or phrase into StrikeThrough, follow it with 2 tildes, sorry, before and after the text. For example, if you want to make the word incorrect strike through, type incorrect. Step 4. Once you've entered the desired text and added the tildes, simply send the message. Your StrikeThrough text will appear with a line crossing through it to the recipients. By following these simple steps, you can easily format your text into StrikeThrough in Telegram, indicating changes or emphasizing corrections within your messages. Remember, StrikeThrough text can be used to show edits, mark outdated information, or simply add a unique style to your conversations. Thank you for watching, and enjoy adding StrikeThrough formatting to your Telegram messages.